Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pause membership in Netflix. So pausing Netflix membership is a great way to take a break without cancelling your account. So I'm going to walk you through the steps to the guide on how to help you out in pausing your membership. So for you to be able to pause your membership, you have to open your browser and go to Netflix, enter your email and password to sign in. Once you do that, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop down menu. Then under the membership and billing section, click on account option, then select the pause my membership option and confirm your decision by clicking on the pause button. You will be given the options to pause your account for a specific duration between a month, 2 months or 3 months, or you can also customize your own pause period if you want, just the best way it suits you. If it is a year, no problem. After that, then you can now, once you customize your period, then you can now proceed and tap on save. Now when you pause your Netflix account, your subscription will be suspended and you won't be charged during the pause period. Also, you won't be able to access new content or stream during the pause period, but you can still watch any episode or movies you've already downloaded or stored on your devices. Any pause title will be lost if you pause your account for an extended period. So this is what you have to consider when you want to pause your membership with Netflix. So once you are ready to take all this, then you can now proceed by just tap on save, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.